Welcome back to another episode of MR Nation Podcast. Today we have a very special guest. A very special guest indeed. Vibe Scheme in the building. Hey.
The way you make your body body and touch everybody part. Feel she make when we a fuck you make me happy laugh.
Me send it now your heart and it make you a fake off.
You pussy tired so me send it now your jaw.
Whoa.
It and a charm me a get it and a bar.
Whoa.
Me to girl nothing but you no regular. The way you do it up me a feel beg your pause. It happy, slappy when me come
true.
I move like an animal,
cut loose.
Grab a gossip, she gets so cute. In a road, she full of gas and dogs.
She not stop until me bust juice.
Pussy like inevitable, the cocky
must bruise.
Bruise me cocky till in have much use.
So me set her in a one angle, they will hook tunes. You don't know Vibe Scheme in the place, ladies and gentlemen.
Touch everybody part.
Our Nation and MR Nation.
Make me happy that.
Yeah.
You pussy tired, so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm, me I get it and a bar.
Whoa.
Me to girl nothing but you no regular.
The way you deal with it, me have to beg your pass.
Me make a call to the girl say come over now. Soon as she come through the door, she then over bounce. Over the pretty pink nipple, me tongue a bounce. Simultaneously na the pussy a thump it out. Me a thump it out, yeah me a beat it. Me a beat it like a Trinidad steal it. She a got it so tired but she freaky bad. She look at me and say she want eat dinner.
Stop it, calm down.
Easy.
Crazy.
Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and MR Nation. You understand? That was my song right there, entitled Pause. They're on every major streaming platform. You understand? So check it out. But yo, we didn't even talk about that right now. Ladies and gentlemen, people, we have a very talented being in the building today. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome the one and only Vibe Scheme.
Yeah, man, you don't know anything, but
crazy. You understand?
Wessie, I am sorry. I never do it again. Daddy, what is Poom Poom?
You don't know anything going on with there, in life.
Yes, so the one and only Vibe Scheme, most famously known for Felicia, Don't Stop Stab.
Yeah, man.
Wessie. And also
Wessie, gon' yam shit.
Yeah, man.
And then now you have Jimmy. Yeah.
Daddy, what is back road? Daddy, I want to buy some Poom Poom.
Oh my, you see me?
Man, you know anything
yes, we're there. Vibe Scheme, give thanks, so bless the podcast, bro. You understand?
Already, man. Tell us something, you know.
Yeah.
When you do the interview, you know, you see what I say?
Yeah.
So when you link me, I have to say, I have to forward, you see it?
Facts.
We have to link up and do this, you see me? When you really do interview and them thing, because, you know?
Yeah.
You see?
Superstar do interview.
Yeah, when I really do interview, you see
Yeah.
me? Like Alkaline. You know, Alkaline do interview. When I do interview with her, but you don't know anything, bro.
Yeah,
one nation, you see me? So we have to represent every time, you see?
Yeah, man, big up the creative clan, you understand?
Yeah.
Brother, as I said, I give thanks, you see me? But let's jump into the question portion of the podcast. Who is Vibe Scheme, bro?
Alright, Vibe Scheme. Real name Akeem.
Yeah.
You see me? I have to know the rest, but real name Akeem. You see me? Vibe Scheme is just a humble youth from out Little London, Westmoreland. You see me? Used to go Manning School. Used to go Edna Manley. You see me? Used to do theater.
Dope.
Yeah, used to do theater professionally, you see me?
Very
travel
talented.
all over the place. You see me? We used to act with Del Cita.
Word.
You see
Okay,
me?
okay.
So theater was like my main bread and butter, you see me? But
Word.
theater start, I only put things go on in theater, so I have to cut left that, you see me?
You care to share anything? Like
alright. What I wanted out of theater, I couldn't get because I wanted to be the man.
Word.
You see me? But they monopolize the thing away where it's like you have to work for please, for build other people and not yourself.
Word.
Plus, in a theater, everybody who I surrounded myself with, they never have my talent or my best interest at heart.
Oh, so it was like a dog eat dog environment.
Even I mean I will call the name still, but even my ex manager, the manager I did have.
Yeah.
The man did in a competition with me.
Word.
You see me? And
Madness
him fair manage my career and him man in a competition with me.
Madness.
He might try get me woman. All of things him gonna do. And the man, yo, you see all when time I left around him man, some things when me hear say the man a say about me that come like say man want take my life bad man. I'm tell you say I have no luck with people.
Damn.
That's why for the most part, me stay to myself, me keep my life personal and them way there, you see me?
Facts. You got to. So you say you found out a little London. How was
Brown
that?
Bush.
How was the brought up there? How was the growing up?
Yo, right now, sometimes I wish me could have go back to them days. I mean, I tell you the truth.
Some of the best days.
Some of my best days of my life. I never have nothing to worry about. You see me? It's a small community. Everybody did closely knit. You see what I say?
Yeah.
May I use the word right?
Yeah, man.
Sometimes I have to do this.
Aren't we all?
All right. So yes, it's a closely knit community. You see what I say? Yeah, fun times. Me grew with my mother.
Yeah. A lot of us did.
Yeah, me grew with my mother.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me not really. Yeah, my father. Yeah, but me grew with my mother.
Yeah.
You see what I say?
So you say everybody was there, like, you know, you're missing half of the parental guidance, but your community aided your brought up. Say
not necessarily, no, 'cause my mother didn't really want where I go nowhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, she like they want. It's like she always stay like yard. You see what I mean?
Bro, I don't know what it is. I think
Yeah.
I think it's a fear of losing us to the street. Why they never want to go up on the road, brother.
Even till to the day, she overprotective of me. You see me? But me have to go out there and learn the streets myself. So
Facts.
she don't know that I know some things about the streets.
Youth, how we are the youth.
Yeah, man, youth. I with the hey, boy, youth. You see me? So she never want me. She never chew. I went time reached like a latter part of high school. I must chew me a meal. She start like Lego. I can you see me go out there more.
Word.
When time reach a college now, me just take off.
Makes sense, bro, because at the end of the day, within yourself, you feel at that stage, you feel like a grown man and you feel like, say, you're right now, mommy, I know what's best for me now. You understand? Because me I tell you, bro, I whole heap of parents, bro, even like I Portmore, I grew up, you see me? My born at East, but I grew up at Portmore, you see me?
Yeah.
And, you know, bro, me therefore left from around my mother, brother, like, I couldn't do it no more. Too much feminine energy. You see me? And then now, me used to, like me, my brother, my mother, and my sister. My brother did cut, and it's like too much feminine energy, bro. So every day, road.
Yeah. But you know, still, like even till today, like certain things, certain changes to my life, and my mother helped me.
Word.
You see me? My mother helped me. So like, I'm not say me really a mama's boy still, but it's like, yo, me have to just have the utmost respect for my mother. My father did it. In the early part, but the more I grow, the more I see certain things about him and some things when do me. You see what I say?
Word.
Yo, me did a dead, you know, bad man. Me did have a kidney disease, you know. Up to now, my health still no 100. You see me?
You want to talk about that?
Nothing wrong, cause me pass it.
So
most part.
I remember
kidney
seeing that
disease, bad
online.
man, and my father knew about that. You see me? And my father never loved me unconditionally. My mother stick by me throughout the years, bad man. Me shouldn't even dare right, you know. And my mother links me, I could even get a surgery done, bad man.
So what exactly?
My father did want me dead, bad man. You see me?
Damn. So what?
That alone me can get from it.
So
that alone me can get from it. The man narrate me, and then the man go make it look like say, yo, I me neglect him and ray. You see me? But anyways,
so
topic.
He might carry feelings. He might say, yo, because you not deal with him, he want you drop out. Cause he might say him basically him draw him on because
you're not
run up in him.
No, but him draw away hand, you know. But watch ya, it's like him and my mother don't really have a good relationship.
Word.
It's like I was caught in the middle of
But
that.
I've seen that, and especially in our community, bro. You and the mother and the father don't get along. The child suffer.
Yeah.
When are we as adults going to realize that it should not be like that?
Yeah. So even like it messed me up like mentally.
It would have messed up anybody, bro.
So acting was like my escape from a lot of things.
Word.
You see me?
Word.
It's like I want to disappear and go somewhere else. You see what I say? Now, I say my upbringing was total crap, you know. But
Yeah.
It's like certain aspects of, you know, it's like, boy, your father, it's like you have to pick a side. It's like, you see what I say? And because me don't want to pick a side, it's like, man just hate me. Man tell me already. Certain things, the man tell me what I'm out, you see me? And it's like, from that, me start preem. You see what I say? But anyways, yeah, me there right now, and
Yeah. alive and well. You understand? You know, going through like kidney disease and them thing there. A lot of people don't make it out, bro. But you're there for a purpose, brother.
And you know, say even when time like when me I do videos, cause me just started Instagram like 2019. Me used to do videos before that.
Yeah.
But me never really have me never did a focus on a niche.
Right.
Me used to just put out a video like on Facebook, for example, and I hope say yo it go viral. Me used to do like you have a video everybody know me say yo me's a breast man, me love girl with big breasts.
Yeah.
Brother, enough things me do. Bad man, me do music videos. Me do as me say me do theater, me do music videos.
You do movies. Me see no movie
me do movie already. Me in a movie.
Yo, alone celebrity about that fan. I want some boy.
Yeah man, you know thing about me one of them youth is like me don't know. Me don't know. Me not believe say me get the highlight where
you deserve.
Me deserve because I don't know. It's like, alright, in them early part, as me say, me never really have focus on a niche. So everybody will know me from, yo, are you doing Lazy Body music video? People will know me from Giant Tenants, people will know me from I think I name the Fade Away music video for Romeo and Virgo. You see me? But right now, me I tell you the truth, niggas, me, I want the baddest thing.
I can agree.
Me I want the baddest thing. And I don't know hype thing or nothing like that.
Nah.
But me have to push myself and motivate
them
myself.
no see it, you have to make them see it, brother.
Me I want the baddest thing.
Straight up.
Me I want the baddest thing.
Yeah.
Me looking at the camera like
yeah, man.
Me
yo,
I want the baddest thing. I'm telling you that. But
I can co-sign pan that.
But
I'm telling you why me I co-sign pan that is because I work with the dog already, you see me? For multiple occasions. And one of the baddest skit them I would have, unfortunately, my fault, my phone get screwed up, you see me? But we'll lose the footage there. But the work we'll put in, I can tell say the dog genuinely have talent, raw talent. And a them type of people, that man need mix up. In the need for a touch certain topic or do certain things because him actually can act. Him actually can tell joke.
And at that, you know, I'm a would I say me I'm more of an actor. I'm an actor first. Comedy is like me more start explore that the latter part.
Yeah, especially upon Instagram.
Right. But I'm more of an actor. Like I have an Actor Boy award.
Word.
You see me? You see after me win me Actor Boy award, me just left theater.
What? Cause of the whole bad mind thing.
Bad mind thing, the crab in a barrel. Yo, them say crab in a barrel, the crab in a barrel thing in a music, but theater, and it's such a small circle.
And
theater,
everybody compete.
And not just a competition, man. Yeah, people will pre your life in that bad man. I tell you.
That serious?
That's serious, brother. I tell you.
Even some of the people them will watch pan theater or adore and love. Them full of hatred and bad mind.
Put it away, yeah. Some of the people them who know and love in a theater.
Yeah.
Off the stage, somebody else. Completely different.
Some demons them.
Yeah.
Damn. You heard it first on the morning.
As me say still, me not forward for put on nobody or nothing like that. But
yo, I hear people say that just talk on that talk,
no, man,
brother.
the thing is that because you know how people stay, bad man. You know how people are stay.
Especially in our culture.
Right. So
yeah.
me just be real. You see what I mean? I say?
Yeah.
And it took some time for me to be real. You understand? Because I normally just hush my mouth or not say nothing so till me realize say it only affect me.
Yeah.
You understand? Only affect me. But you see after me win the award, it's like me win an Oscar then in the Jamaican world. You see me? It's like me win an Oscar. And I say to myself, say, yo, watch ya. I hate this in me and step cause nothing go on here so bad, man. All me I do I get a fight. And even now, me I do the Instagram thing, me get a fight same way. You see me? Me now go say me always me consistent. Sometimes me do free video, me not tell no lie.
Yeah.
There's some video where to me I say, yo, this bad. And when you reach out there, it's like me I say, yo, people I say, yo, what that? And then me do some video sometimes and me I say, I figure this, I'm gonna put out the people them a rave.
I love it, yeah. You with videos you never know. Because everything, you know, comedy is subjective, bro. You know, people like different things. You know, like even I talked to World Dog just a week ago and the man I say, yo, sometimes the video don't funny to him personally. But when him look, him have 5,000 comments and then him put out a video where him like and him get all 2,000 comments. I must say, yo, you wanna like this? You see me? But it's unfortunate, bro, in the theater world, bro. So you coming out of theater helped you to, you know, run in on the social media world, in the comedic world. So what inspired that after you leave theater?
I think me just want me do want something for myself. Me do want to build myself and put my talent out there to the forefront.
Word.
You see what I say? And as me say, based off of I had some people who want to prove wrong.
Okay.
You understand what I say? Yeah, some people who want. I telling those people. You see, even theater to me, theater harder than for do film or for do videos because you can if you do something mess up, if you frig up a video, you can always retake. And go over that, but in a theater,
one go,
and you have to can skill. If a crowd can pick up, say, you know, say make a mistake, but you see how they rate it is how you come back from that.
Facts.
Why if you come back,
bro? I'm a grown man, bro. You see me? I don't really pay attention to anything now.
Yeah, you see me. So, as me said, brother, me not lie, like. For me, I know that my true potential, more while my true potential is not being, how should I say, I not emit my true potential. I not show my true potential. Because separate apart from videos, I have a life. A whole heap of responsibility. You see me? And even when me do videos and I entertain people, me sick. Enough people don't know that because, you know, me keep things personal.
Yeah.
You understand? So sometimes a video may not like come after what I want it, but honestly, me in a pain, can't whether to do it over or whatever, and I want to keep current, so I just put it out there. You see what I say? But a lot of people, me know say a lot of people out there, they know me. Even before me start take Instagram or TikTok serious. You see me? I really last year me start take TikTok serious, and TikTok has been more.
You blew up like super crazy on TikTok.
Yo, TikTok has been more rewarding for me than Instagram.
Yeah,
I think I have 200,000 followers on TikTok.
Yeah, I think
me even drop me hard to drop video more.
Yeah, and when you do, crazy likes, crazy views.
Yeah, because people love Jimmy.
Yeah,
you see me?
The dog just bring up Jimmy a while ago, so I get into the character them right now. The most famous character them you're known for. The first one I got introduced to was Felicia. Don't stop stab, and the one they did have the internet away, and they got some boom now and. Jimmy came after, right?
Yeah, Jimmy was after.
Yeah.
It's like when we start the Jimmy videos, it's like people stop fuck with Felicia.
Word.
Less, then start fuck with her less. So
yeah.
Just have to go to where the market or where the people, I must say. You know,
that's a smart business move, yeah.
So Jimmy it is. Up to today, it's like, I don't know, it's like, them just, me don't know. Them just love Jimmy. You see me? People just love Jimmy.
It's funny, bruh.
Well, apart from that, you know, I do a lot of other videos.
Yeah.
Like, you know, because I want to show versatility. I don't want to just I him do Jimmy and that's it. I want to be known. I want to be famous, not popular. And I think there's a difference.
There is a clear difference.
I say.
But popularity is like come and go thing.
Yeah.
Famous and Michael Jackson said to brother, you're known for life, you know, even after death, you know. You understand?
All right. So Jimmy now, it was just Mr. Prince Pine do a video, interview a couple days ago, and he's like, he must say, oh, if you're not be natural more well, it not gonna work. You don't, you can't force a video, as the audience are gonna pick up say it first, and them are gonna say, oh, you see me, them can pick up it,
of course,
can pick it up. You see me? So Jimmy just born out of nowhere, just like Felicia. I did a video. Me do one video where it's like. Me and a girl have sex, and it's like when me stop have sex, she still make noise.
That's like a lie, man.
Yeah, and like it's like naturally me just step on. Don't stop, stab. Don't stop, stab. And when time I drop the video, there is like at the line the people I reflect on. You see me? So me just
run with that.
Yeah, me just run with it, and you know sometimes girls love the kinkiness and so. Burn me with the iron. You know them way there. Yeah, a lot of people, a lot of people think that Felicia is, and this is an exclusive now. A lot of people feel that Felicia, somebody play Felicia. A lot of people don't know say me I do a voice.
Do a voice I get with them here.
Hakeem! Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Burn me with the iron. Cause she carrying on me.
Yeah, man. This way, man.
Jaja, ladies and gentlemen, I hear it first. But when I lie still, bro, anybody who, let me not say that, but I didn't know say how you do it, brother. You see me? Yeah, I have an idea. Because you don't know we do video and we don't know for voiceover and them thing them. So, Felicia was the most popular character until the big dog Jimmy came out.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy. Yo.
What inspired Jimmy? Where did Jimmy come from?
Jimmy, it was not necessarily an inspiration, you know. It's like I did a video.
Yeah.
And all right, I'll tell you. Me see one video is like a teacher ask a student them like some questions were ending. What's supposed to know that video there? A question were ending AN. Then for give the teacher some word were ending AN and one could pitney say lesbian. And ask what is lesbian and rare. So me see that video there and me say, yo, it's funny. We do a video with me say, yo, Daddy, what is 69? You see me? And then people realize that people love that video there, and then it take me about a couple months to follow up and do a next video. I realize that people, and then me even give Jimmy a name like Natural. Me not think hard about it, and people Jimmy. Just rock with it. You have to be natural. Yeah. You see what I say? No, right now people can go check out some of my work from even back in the days. Yardicus, for example.
Bad piece.
Go on YouTube and watch Yardicus. YAADICUS. That's what I say. And I used to say, yo, and I like say, yo, me thing. You see me? I'm say now. One of the things when I respect you, Nigos, is that you're very creative. You see me? Me meet Trabas. One day, how me know? Because me did now one time, you know, theater never work out for me now. Me did in the lowest point of my life, you know, and me did give up. Yeah, so what I say. Yeah. Only a figure did I go on, and then it was like randomly me just step on the road and me see me that walk and see a car stop reverse. So I run me ready for run now, you know, cause that the area they were me did, you know, you see me?
Yeah, you know, it probably look like a drive-by.
Yeah. So I run me ready for run now. I see a dog push out here and say, yo, are you do video now? I say, yo, Trabas. And I say, yeah, man, forward, man.
Oh, shit, so Trabas pull up.
Yeah. So at the day, they like, me a rock, what come here and say, Bombat, Trabas know me? I mean, going forward in the car and the man say, yo, man all point out the work them when you see me do. I say, some knows that people are watching, you know.
Yeah.
People are watching, but more well, it's like you have to dip on a certain level to get certain strength to me. Because you have to work for your own. Alright. Trabas, the day that Trabas said to me, say, yo, me message him on Instagram and him more respond and follow me and think I want to link up and do some video.
Yeah. Oh, this was in Jamaica?
This was in Jamaica. Okay. We did for the Jamaica and thing, and me up to my message up to now Trabas no respond.
Yeah? When was the last time you messaged him?
No, probably I 2 years ago or something.
Damn.
Because alright, this was like 2017.
Okay.
And he linked me up and I say, yo, John, how I go on? But then again, you know, at first, like, me did feel away because I don't like say, yo, me
go to your way for the
go
fine.
To my way. Man say, yo, me feel link him and me link him and he's like, I know dog, no answer.
Yeah.
You see me? So me just pretty as though maybe he just not rate me or sit, me don't know. Or maybe at the time me thing never me social media never. Me don't know how it go.
Me not think somebody will go to them way. You know see me? Pull up and reverse and
alright. Me not this Trabas or nothing, you know. So me I say respect to Trabas because a Trabas walk make enough we can run in this, but as me say at first me did kinda I say, oh, as I said, I did at one point in my life for me to give up on this acting thing, and then when I look, I say, Trabas, say, yo, boom, bang, and I say, yo, John, I link with it. Dog, top dog, link me, you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
And I say, yo, Trabas. But then, over time, me learn something different from that. I take something different from that. You see me? I just said to myself, say, yo, you can't rely upon, you have to just, you only need yourself.
I told you that, bro.
Yeah.
I told you that, bro.
And that's one I think when I respect with you, dog. You have to believe in yourself. You have to push yourself.
Have to.
You see what I say? So that just teach me something. Say, yo, me probably at the time I say, yo, me naive to the thing. So I say, yo, if people see me link with Trabas and do one video, and me think, oh, take off and you see what I say? But
you are filled with all that hope.
Yeah.
Like, you see me, this is the breaking point right here. I understand them way there because and what you said too, you were at a low point in your lives. Yeah, so you thought this was going to be a breakthrough. You see me? But yeah, bro, you know, it could be that because as a man like Trabas, bro, the man soon reach a million followers. You see me? But it's like, bro, even me, bro, me have 50+K, bro. And sometimes like when I look at like the DMs flooded sometime, like you can't really catch up, bro. You see me? Even when you know the other part where you have to go in now, where them don't know if you read the messages or not. That part there, the crazy part.
Yeah.
So if you never dare follow you them time there, that's like your message that got end up, you know, in that section there, you know.
No, him say he asked me for my number and take my Instagram and say, oh.
Hopefully I just slip the dog, man. Because Trabas, that you time, I'm very talented.
Super talented. As me say still, at first, it was just like, dog, you send me for link you, so it's like you're grown, you know. But no, it's like me I say, oh.
So if you and Trabas happen to link up again, or him reach out to you, or you reach out to him, and it just so happen, you would have worked with him.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Yo, Trabas. Even little sister love Trabas, you know?
Bro, Jamaica love Trabas, brother. As I say, that them man they walk so we can run, you know, brother.
Yo, respect to you, though, dog.
Yeah.
You know, I respect you and everybody. As me say, you know, and Trabas make me know this, enough people know me. But everybody. I guess enough people not gonna rate my video them. Or whatever, they just not rate me. Or some people want you run up in a them or what, I don't know. But at that too, me no run up in a people because me can be very feisty.
Yeah.
Full of pride more while and full of ego. So me now go run up in a certain people, but here me have to say, yo, respect to you that. Me respect who respect my talent. You see what I say? Because one time, this was a man, you know, when me did 9K followers, you know. This a man I reach out and the man did about 30 odd. And the man not show enough of my hypeness or ego. You see what I say? And the man follow me first. And I say, yo, Bomba, brother, different. The man say, yo, collab. I say, what? Right now, because me see the youth here, him bad. Him do some things where different. And then me see couple videos with Jay Freight. And I say, yo, the youth are different. You see me? So, niggas, big up. Me have to big you up all the time.
Bro.
Big up yourself, my brother.
Great talent.
Yo, you see, all right. You have a couple other people who me reach out to, you know, we have a big platform, you know, at the time. But when I reach out to them, like me, I beg them nothing.
Yeah.
Me I say, yo, I want how much for post like one of my video them.
Word.
You see me? And me will not get no answer. And this is why me respect World Dog too. World Dog. Me see dog up on a live and talk some real facts, and me go up on the live and say, yo. No, me go in the in a DM and say, yo, bro, me rate that way that talk about and you see me? The man pre me message, follow me. You see me? And the man never have to do that.
That's true. Bro, that's why I tell everybody some rate World Dog regardless of how them personally feel about him.
Yeah,
me rate him, brother.
Yeah, me rate him. My name say Kaki, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You see what I say? Me rate him. So, me say, and just because he follow me, why I respect him. You understand?
It's just that
say him is a real youth.
We pray enough for them youth to have them big following, bro, and them feel like them a god, brother.
Yeah. We talk like when we talk like rapidly, but occasionally.
Yeah.
You see me reason a good youth. You see me big me up on your life a couple times. Big up World Dog. You see me? I say big up you. I feel big up World Dog. Respect Trabas same way. Able Boss, big up yourself. A couple youth out there. J Venom, big up yourself. Who else?
Yeah, man.
Epic, big up yourself.
Bumbuckler, big up Epic.
Big up yourself.
Bro,
yo,
Epic
is one of the most talented Bumbuckler youth, and the man nah get no. Yo,
Facts.
Cause the man different, but it's like Jamaica don't fuck with talent. Jamaica don't fuck with creativity, bad man. Jamaica fuck with mix up.
Too much mix up, brother.
Look on the people where you see rise fast in our industry and
mix up, brother. Mix up.
And that is just our culture, you see me?
Mix up, brother.
Mix up.
Me tired of it, bro. Because you them with actual talent are dead off, brother.
Because sometimes me do a video, you know, me not necessarily try to do a video for a punch or a mix up. It's like a situation comedy me I try to do if somebody can relate to it and say, oh, ray. But boy, they always tear me down still. And at first when they used to tear me down, it used to demotivate me. But I don't give a fuck.
I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like when I realize that people don't really to fuck with talent like that, bro, it kinda I'm not as motivated to go as hard anymore.
Like, yo.
You see me, bro? Because, bro, I pour out my heart and my soul, brother, in a certain skit and them thing, bro. And if you see somebody come and talk about Rose or whatever, I may say, oh, wow. Like, this we like, this is what. And one point I was even considering doing it. Like, yo, I delve into the mix up to and it's me garner some follower. But me no want do that.
Disclaimer, we not fight down nobody or nothing like that. It's just
me move them bumbuck like them things that me fight them out when move on the blood clot with no insecurity. When move and go. Can't come like some big girl. Everything a bad mind. Man, I'm tired of them, brother. Yeah, man. Everything a bad mind. You have an opinion. Oh, you're a bad mind. I'm gonna suck your bumbuckler, man. Yeah, man. I move your blood clot with the soft self. Batty boy.
Yeah, man. Facts, but yo, as me say, big up who for big up.
Yeah.
And
so,
but big pussy Baba J.
Bumbuckler. Whoa. Where that come from, brother?
Baba J a pussy.
Well, I never ask you. You can't us, bro. Where that come from?
Yo, me as a man, me no feed into negativity, you know. Cause if I mix up for do things, then would I go the route there.
Yeah.
Although some like shit, if me remix a Michael Jackson video, I don't necessarily mix up. No people see me do video and feel say me and Wesley cool, for example.
Yeah.
You see me? I say,
Wesley got yam shit.
Wesley nah go. You see what I say? You see me? But yeah, Baba J a pussy.
What happened? So obviously him doing something. Obviously. What go on? Spill the beans, brother. Spill the beans.
Talk about this now or one next segment or
we already done call Baba J a big vaginal cavity, you understand? So we're just gonna dive right into that right now, bro. So where the hell Baba J do, brother?
Alright, you see me. I'm the type of youth where me not pick trouble. Me not fuck around people.
Yeah.
Me not disrespect people.
Yeah,
so if you're going like you want to style me take that personal. Baba J is a youth like this. I'm not going to dwell upon it. This a topic is too long.
Yeah.
Him knowing himself say him a pussy bad man.
Word.
Baba J I want little opportunist.
Word.
I'm in a business who want come at me for this because watch ya. I don't know put my pot on fire. You see what I say? Baba J wanted something that I had. You see me? And during that time they might take me for pussy, but me never know. So till when all is said and done, me realize that take me for pussy. Well. Baba J is a youth where you see like how moral if I do this thing in a game for a while. So you know say yo certain things me new to this, me go say yo niggas. Ray. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Me not really ask people for strength. At one time me ask him for share something for me. And he asked me for share things for him too.
Right.
When Baba J lose him and when Baba J lose him TikTok, when I first person Baba J reach out to. You see what I say? And then once the dog reach at 876 roommates, dog done big shot now say dog unfollow me.
What?
Wait.
But
I know the unfollowing me upset but and the unfollowing me a preem but. As me say, this is something personal, cause somebody me know personally, man. The man, that look, I'm obviously this, cause I don't even want to call nobody name, and you know what I say.
Yeah, I forgot the name. Just talk about the story, bro.
Alright. It's like him go to the in that try he need want something with me have.
It sound like a catty.
Yeah. He wanted something me did have. You see me? And him that try. But at the time he that pick up certain energy, I mean I said to the person, say, oh, what go on? And the person say, oh no man, nothing go so nothing like that and whatever. So till me realize, yo, at the end of it all, me post something on my status. You see me? I outline how me and my girlfriend did meet. You see me? And me don't know if somebody post it or somebody screen capture it. I good as all him to screen capture it. Screen record it. You see me? And then Quebec News to the girl talk about how you see all of them time when time me did look you. You never want to give me no blind of them things I did go on. I say, oh, so basically I say, well, him did try to look she. When him did try to look she never give him no blind. Because she thought, oh, she rate me and so on. But me did go on with fuckery. Like some big pussy. I can use to girl.
Yeah. Man, I like.
And the thing is that I'm a very misunderstood person. So, even if I see me, so me appreciate, oh, when you link me up certain way, you have a certain, you put up a certain facade then. But behind my back you tear me down because you and the person they are friend. Right. Or in a things or you want she or in a whatever. Whatever the fuck that was. Because me realize say even when time me and the person that link is like, you know when somebody they one another, so it's like them argue like they cuss like man and woman and them so like certain energy. Even people round the circle in a fear circle did I say oh Ray but me not go back to her go chat that.
Hold on, but me not understand what going. So you and this girl was together?
Yeah, the link.
But then you're saying that she and Baba J like each other.
It looked like say then he like the one of them. You see me or him did like her.
While you did
the attack, but then even the whole of I see him household one time. You see me I say and like the energy just never right, brother. But me I say him, me know him that chat certain things and I do certain things. You see what me I say? And even with the whole situation, then me that but me that go and observe, you see me? But then now me see dog and follow me. I guess him conscience about him or something because him know say, oh, you see me, him a fuckery. Him a want to opportunist, man, but
so you're saying opportunities? Opportunities.
Yeah.
What kind of opportunities was he seeking?
No, not necessarily see him a seeking opportunities from me. I'm saying if him have if him can use you, because him will want the hype life.
Word.
So if he can use you, forget where him want to go, he will does that. This is a youth when me reason with upon a level. And when me say I move like a pussy against me. I move like a pussy against me. And this is a youth when me sit down and reason with dog.
Word.
This is a youth when me man say, yo, what motivate him, you know, as that is like yeah, one specific comedian where they tell him sitting. And him that motivate him because yo, and him not trust people and rare and whatever. You don't trust people, you're fuck you don't trust people, but at the end of the day you're fuck too. You see me? So as me say still, big up who forget big up. But yeah, certain things if me never fought on your podcast, me wouldn't even get no light.
Word.
Me just like to sit down and watch people.
Me hear you say yo. Big pussy Baba J and Ray I say, I want going. So the girl thing,
so
bro.
Me that tear me down. In just see that my thing with him is that in just see that tear me down. You see me? Me I'm never that preaching like that.
I don't like when females come in between men, bro. Because I feel like men can conduct themselves in a way.
Her. No, they know they wanted that before me, you know. In that picture, you know. So I like say the female come between me and never virgin like that as me say. But my thing is just you do some little pussy things, dog.
So
it'd be like say Me and you, me and Virgin, for example, me and Virgin, and we on a college campus and a new girl come in. You know, say all them things they go in there. I'm gonna look out for the new girl we forward on the campus. And you, the girl probably rate me, but you, I go to the girl and say I said a fuckery thing about me.
Word.
Just for try if it's true or mine.
I broke your foot.
Yeah, just for try if it's true or mine. Broke which foot?
Isn't that what he did? Man, broke your foot.
Brother, broke which foot, bad man?
Man, broke your foot, my lad.
Dog,
I
man.
saw it go.
No, brother, you can't. Baba J
Baba J?
broke my foot.
Yeah. That it sound like.
Next segment. Yo, watch ya. Anyways, Baba J can't break my foot, dog.
Alright, I guess. You see me? So you and the girl this still continue talk?
No, we're not linked now, but Baba J can't break my foot.
Alright, you see me? Well, Baba J can't break him foot, you see me?
Him probably they're probably not things or whatever. Me not care. Me not care.
Alright,
But me say Baba J couldn't break my foot.
He broke your foot.
Him that try to break my foot.
Yeah, him try to
but he
get a
couldn't
slide
break my
tackle.
foot.
Yeah, and get a slide tackle, but it never work.
Never work.
Never work. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
pick it up, man.
So in
Ramos.
the the comedic thing, besides Baba J, do you have any other negative like energy where surround you from other people, like any fighting out, any hatred
I
from
really say-
any other? Because I can tell you this right now, bro. I sense a lot of hatred from some people, bro. I'm saying
Like who?
I can tell. I'm not call a name because eventually them will come on the podcast. You see me? So, but just want to keep certain things under wraps. But it's like, you see the competitiveness, bro. I don't want nobody to lie and say, oh, no. Everybody's competing against you. I can say I don't feel no competitive energy or no negative energy from the brother, yeah. Like whenever we work.
It's not that serious.
Exactly. When we work, I just work. You see me? So if I'm one person, I can definitely see, no negative energy. World Dog, another youth where that's a given. Because that nigga platform is way above me and Femon combined together. So if you see them man they reach out and I deal with we, bro, it's like, it's no competitive energy in the there, brother, no bad mind in the there. You see me? But a lot of them youth, bro, them silently compete with you, bro.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't know. To me, what is the end game in this?
Bro, for who?
Like, ultimately, where you look for? Because, yeah, it's a source of income and so on. But what is the fighting for, or what is the competition for? If you say, yo, my body's thing, what?
You see, because, and this has stemmed from slavery, bro. You see, because we're not used to nothing, we never have nothing, bro. You see me? And this can be traced back to the Willie Lynch days. You ever read the Willie Lynch letter yet? Where them put brown skin against black skin, young against old, man against woman. You see me? Like, them thing there, bro. Like, the competitive nature, like, them that was bred into us, bro. Like, crab in a barrel mentality. One person I try to come out, but everybody I try to drag them down. You see me I say? So nobody no used to nothing, bro. So every man have a little thing, and them I want to hold on upon it for dear life, even if that mean running a stake through your heart.
Yeah.
You understand?
I mean,
and me personally, bro, before me even try to compete with people like that, brother, I'm stay away, brother, and do more own thing, bro.
People at this youth show me say, oh, as me say, me probably say 30, I don't want sound too want to be redundant or repetitive. You don't need nobody but yourself. And that's why I stay to myself for the most part, because me don't like people. Me can't, me have a thing with people where it's like, as me say, me just misunderstood, like me don't have no luck with people.
Yeah.
Don't have no luck with people, because if somebody do something and you vent,
You are the problem.
you are the problem. Me just not luck with people. Me circle very small, bad man.
Yes, a decimal point.
Decimal pint. Yo, and I'm not going to even do upon this, because me see where I do. Me see in tactic, King Tavi. Me see where I do. King Tavi
No. Hey, this is not the first time we're going to talk about King Tavi. I'm not telling you this right now. Don't come and talk about, the man who try to bring down King Tavi. This nigga is looking for controversy. Yeah. So don't come talk about, no, try to bring that.
King Tavi know him, do. King Tavi want people to talk about him.
Exactly.
You see me?
You don't come like a Vybz Kartel or Alkaline Tactics. Controversy sells, bro.
And I guess it's working for him.
It is working.
To how long?
Make a couple video about Tavi already. Make about 4 video, 4 or
But
5 video about Tavi.
I'm not dwell upon this. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Like, for some reason, Tavi blocked me on Instagram.
Oh, alright. For what?
I think.
But that don't matter, because I'm not following nobody anyway.
Yeah, I'm not following nobody, yeah, but it's like, I think me do one video last year, Comedian Combat. I don't know if you know that. Some people will be familiar with that.
I remember that.
We do a video named Comedian Combat, you see me, and I see somebody tag Tavi on that and say, oh, this thing. Now, before that, me could have see Tavi page. Now, for that, I realized I can't see Tavi page. When I use somebody else's phone and check it, and I say, oh, I can't see film page. So I realized it's like, it got pre-me, and like, this is a youth way. Me like dark comedy, and he does dark comedy sometimes.
Yeah,
for the most part.
He's a very talented.
So
youth.
when time, yeah, he's talented. But when time, he did a rant like then saying did a mad out. Reach out to him because I say, oh, then time me never really on a platform yet either. But me reach out to him and I say, oh. Well, go on very. Anyways, him no respond on so one, cause you know say a star and me I never star.
Yeah.
You see me? So fast forward, me realize say that people more well instigate things like the fans them and so on.
Yes, I'm glad I said that. I'm glad I said that.
Because I listen Baba J, me see somebody tag Baba J in a video to and say, oh, this thing. So
brother, some of them fans are followers, yeah, brother.
Yeah,
them are the biggest post to all them on the earth.
I was looking into that video. Them video they feel be like more than one. Like you know when you have game and you have God of War 1, God of War 2.
Yeah. So it would be a continuation.
You're right, but me see somebody tag and say, "Oh, this thing," and really. So
how is it this thing?
No. Me never include him. Enough time.
I'm say this before you continue. Is it someone no? We call ourselves followers or fans. Some of the biggest, nothing going on in our life. On a lame, on a life pop down, nothing go on for. That's why I don't love create bullshit on the internet. Bro, a lot of them tag people and I might think about me tell you this. It's a blood clot 9x19, yeah? Go suck on the mother. We don't have nothing go on phone here on our body people. Moving a bumper clot. We don't love instigating. Bro, nobody who have things that go on in them life, brother, will never create problems for other people. Not for one and a half, nothing go on a life pathetic.
So
I see you in the comments, and I tell you this right now, I genuinely like to argue. So I will argue with you for make sure I get at least 10 comments out of you.
Yeah, God.
Because when time I look, I see 300 comments and I might feel them, I thank you, bye. I genuinely like to argue. And the more you comment is the more the video is boosted. Batty people. Bitch.
Yo.
I hate some of them, bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah, attack the man you attack the people in the video. Talk about this thing.
Because I good at them. Even the thing with Twep, I good at them. Some of them like fuel the fire.
Of course, some of them fuel the fire with Twep. Of course.
Twep.
Where say because even that, bro. Me just do it. Joma video. All the time I thought Joma was a man. I swear to God. But me do it the video and. Just yo, everybody know this is my audio. Big sitting. Oh, suck cocking here, cause big pussy. All of that just because I said this is my audio. Because it is my audio. And the reason why I did that is because Jomo video did take off, which it should, because of bad audio. My audio. So it's like this thing, brother, you know, for own up your things. Imagine you left a bicycle out a door to brown bread. And you go to mom and bust some tricks on it. And then somebody else come take your same bicycle and bust some bad tricks on it. I mean, so what am my bicycle at? Me never say my bicycle at? You go suck on the bum buckle, man, and stop tag people in the things and try stop instigate blood clot things. Not found enough. Nothing not going on in life. As me say again, of course benefit from it. Not found enough, nothing not going on in life. On a life lame and on a pathetic.
Yeah. But
on a lame.
People, this thing is not as easy as it seems in terms of like the things that we are dealing with under the radar. So may I say. So you know, more while me just wish it reached to a level where even creativity can be highlighted more than negative energy. It come like dancehall, you know, negative energy fuel dancehall. People love to see when people are clash and
facts.
That's what I say.
Facts.
But
so speaking about that, do you think you and Baba J and King Tavi can ever reconcile differences and come together and potentially work in the future?
As me say, you know, me and King Tavi not really, you know.
Yeah.
You see that just block me. I guess based on what me I see is like is a youth where easy for going in feelings or some reason. You see me? But Tavi, I have nothing against you, sir. I mean, I'm not against you. Personally, me just want to know why you block me. Like, why you block me, sir? What me do?
Because of this thing.
Your clan say me don't know about why you block me, bro.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
see me? Me not do you nothing bad, man. You see me?
Yeah.
And we that, yeah, no, Baba J, no.
Baba J, never. Right.
Man, diss me.
Hey, I don't blame you, because if somebody diss me to them, done for, brother.
Me never disrespect Baba J.
Baba J disrespect you.
Yeah. Me is a youth, me say, you see in early videos them used to say, me rate the video, your dog, me rate the video, the and rare, you see me? But Baba J diss me.
Word.
You see me? But big up yourself, my G.
Big up on yourself. I don't know no still big up on yourself. I'm gonna have nothing against no one about whatever. If that's true, where the dog do, I'm gonna rate that. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna rate that. So yo,
you see, alright. You see where World Dog say what they are. Instigator. What's that? The informer.
yeah.
Is an instigator.
Yo, speaking about World Dog, when you forget to take for World Dog interviewing a lot. So yo, yeah, we are cut that segment and go straight to the next one. And see me say, yo, yeah, just stay tuned, you understand? You don't know say one nation and a Mara nation, you understand? yes. You don't know say one nation and a Mara nation. You don't know what they are with the talented vibe scheme. Don't stop. You understand with the other one?
Daddy. Wessie. You know, give me no TRN. I know me in a X5. Hee-hoo. Go damn shit. Wessie. Me see your pan pink koala, I call up me name. My friend them bad. Lava. Me here say you have something for give me. Me number 487.
Yo.
Rise dirty.
Yo, as we say, yo, you talented, as if you talented.
Harry Potter must not go back to Hogwarts this year.
Youth, how are the blood clot the youth?
Blue punch bag.
Blue punch bag.
Yeah, man, yo. So yeah, say I go on now.
See me? Yeah, so yeah, bro, we do an interview with the Real Dog, bro. You see that?
Brother, if you don't see that, you live under a rock. Anybody not see that live under a rock, my
That
G?
was crazy.
Everybody's supposed to see that. You know, I go interview Lava next. Lava they too far.
Like I reach out to Lava and probably do like if him accept because after this me ask Slick if Slick want to do an interview and the dog say, oh, I'm not doing an interview.
Yeah, but Slick a pre you.
I don't know, bro. He said he's not, but you see me?
Me feel like Slick a pre you because you say you're virgin.
I would think so.
Say you would think so. But I have the word diplomatic. Anyways,
I would think so, but if me do an interview with a man and a man have some choice words for you, yeah. I call you and let you know, yo, XYZ. And then me come out and ask you, say, yo, bro, give me an interview now, bro, because people want to hear your side. Just like when we do a video about Tavi, people want to hear Tavi's side. We do a video about Lava, people want to hear Lava's side. So me knowing you're the easiest one I can reach.
Yeah.
Bro, let's do an interview.
Yeah.
Dog say, oh, now do an interview. See him just like that. You see me?
I think maybe alright, you can look at probably can look on like 2 years. Maybe him don't want to dwell upon the topic. Or maybe him a pre because me just say it look like him a pre because probably in other mode they him that expect if he say more than what you say, rather than if just remain neutral. I think you did the right by remaining just staying neutral.
Any normal person would.
Yeah, but
what were you supposed to do? Thump World Dog name out?
yeah. Yeah, tough like what I say, pussy at this Slick White Line youth.
Bro, if that was Slick White Line, if I was interviewing Slick White Line and Slick White Line talk about World Dog, come on, know World Dog before Slick White Line. So
you'd appear to him say, would appear as though you and Slick closer than how you and World Dog link.
Yes, because we live in the same state.
Okay.
But what me I say is, if that was Slick White Line and Slick White Line was talking about World Dog, I would have remained just as neutral.
Yo, oh you stay, oh alright, I cut you. Oh you stay, like, oh you stay focusing on the interview there. Cause it's like World Dog just, yo,
One full of energy,
man
brother.
Man say, yo, me say, lava go pan stage, you know, and big up some of me enemy them, you know. Hey man, big up me enemy them, you know, man. You know, lava is a little instigator, you know. Lava, you pussy. Chat and lava go straight to ground. I swear. Man, kiss all this, yo, me no know, yo, man, full of energy, dog. But you could have say you need hurt, you know. Yo,
Man, hurt, brother.
Man did hurt, cause as me say, I don't know him personally. It's just me talk over social media.
Yeah.
But me pick up energy and it just seem like I want real youth.
Yeah.
You see me? And nobody's perfect, but
Bro,
he seem like
I would
want
think
real
so
youth.
too, bro.
You see what I say?
I believe he is, bro. You see me? It's just that certain situations that, you know, cause people love Lava. You have some Lava fans, them genuinely love him.
Lava.
You see me? But then now,
Me not think say should I reach where I reach.
Bro, it's never that deep.
I think it's probably some misunderstanding too.
Of course. Of
See me?
course.
Because I guess when I reach from a certain level like World Dog now, there's a lot of things that come at you. Come off of your head back on them way. You see me?
Facts.
So I feel like me personally, cause I look like say yo, him just see certain things and him observe certain things and then him just say, oh, Lava, you're a pussy.
Yeah.
That's how me get. That's how me get from him.
Yeah.
You see me? But even with the thing with Slick White Line, I don't think it should really go so far because I mean I say World Dog that try for this Slick.
Yeah. I said that in a video I did yesterday. Like, I don't think it was that serious either.
You know if them having anything prior to this?
No, because to my knowledge, them was friend.
To me, you see,
And I think they're still friends because them still a follow one another, but the beef dead no, I think.
I think even if somebody like Dino Crazy or World Dog, you know things with Dino Crazy, for example, or World Dog, or what the brother the name? The brother the name, man. The brother, man, shit. 1.6 million followers, man. The big
Major hype?
Major Hype.
Okay.
Major Hype, shit. Yeah. For certain people will have certain platform, you want them in that things. Me think it only a push you.
Yeah.
This only a push Slick.
Oh, yes, definitely.
And the banter between the two of them, it only push Slick more because Slick. World Dog drops it, Slick drop back it, World Dog drops it, Slick drops it.
Just like
it become like a music, but
yeah.
But it's like, you know, at the end of the day, come on.
Yeah.
It's simple.
It's never that serious. Cause you have some people that say, oh, him this Slick, and then you have some people that say, him never this Slick. The man that say, you know what I mean, Slick can do better.
But I think him and Lava need to fix anything though, cause I really him Lava him messy.
Push,
Lava.
chat and laugh.
Yeah. Him and pretty done.
Yeah, because a lot of, bro, when we check the comments then, bro, a lot of people that say, him and pretty. So it's like, when the dog a vent, bro, you can't, bro, the man literally shake the room, bro.
Yeah. Yo, dog.
The man
Yo,
shake
man,
the
yo,
room.
me think man don't thump you all in a film out, you know. Think man don't look for you and say, yo, pussy a favor Lava, you know. Come, hey, yo, man.
The man say, Lava get carried away.
Lava,
He don't
get
have a
carried
work to
away.
prove.
But I say, Lava get carried away. Lava is not a star. You can't go in our place where sell car. We sell car. I want. What you say? I want.
The man say, you can't compete with somebody who make car, you
Make
buy
car.
one.
And you buy one. And me, I'm pretty done. Put Lava on the map.
That's exactly what the man going, especially when him go so. I'm looking talk, I look over.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yo.
I'm a foot dead.
No. Yo, man, different, yeah, man. So
Man say, lava is not a star. He don't have a work to prove.
Yo.
Buckler, brother. Alone dead, me a dead, brother. It's like, bro, there are so many points where I wanted to laugh, but I couldn't laugh, brother. I can't laugh because people don't already say I'm a bias when it comes to World Dog. You see me? Just because I know him. It would have been like you. Them same people where I comment, them don't know our history. Because if it was them and for them friend, of course you're gonna like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I try to be diplomatic, bro. Because at the end of the day, I don't want, if me was supposed to boom and reach out to Lava, no, Lava I say no, you're biased, you're pussy. Or I'm going to boom and reach out to Slick, and Slick I say no, you're pussy. I try to remain on the straight and narrow.
Yeah. Because you should.
Yeah. Bro, I one side me a pick and I Mara Nation, brother.
Yeah, man, crazy clan out there.
Straight up and crazy clan. Because me I work with who I work with me, brother. Me not like no conflict and them thing. Conflict and them thing, bro. Me stay away from that, brother. That's why me even done the trap thing just as like when she stop running farm out, me just leave it alone.
But as for me, you know, because I think I do have a lot of supporters, and some of them I have supporters and I have followers.
Yeah.
And I think there's a difference.
Of course. Clearly.
Followers, Missy. So for example, sometimes Pinkwall post my video. 6 Wave, quest them page there. And then tear me down over there. And you know what weird one day. That's why Missy Jeffrey say what they say. You can't take internet serious more because Missy somebody will follow me. Somebody said King Tavilliam. And somebody will follow me, tag me in the meme. And I say, like them would say, oh, me Liam too. Somebody will follow me. So why you follow me and I go say me Liam?
Bro, cause them I watch for your downfall, brother.
So you see rather than for go but you see rather than for just go on a cuss and go on and disrespect anybody, me go in our DM, me take a different approach.
Yeah.
Oh, it never that serious and it never really, but it all look.
You see me? Cause brother, me get a fight, bad man. You know, me realize say when me do a video, you know, but me personally, me not think up to par. Me get me fight. But you see, when time me video them shot, everybody quiet. I mean, I understand that.
This, I guess, you know, them have an expectation, you know, them think you're supposed to always be up with the thing, you see me? Which is
I think this is, I think you have to get people to love you.
Yeah, definitely.
And then no matter what you do, it's like for example, World Dog. People love World Dog.
Yeah.
People love the brand World Dog.
Yeah.
So no matter what World Dog do, it also laugh because a World Dog.
Facts. You see me? And the same thing with some of them people, brother. You know, bro, dude, that's the reason why your video them have more views than likes. You see me? Because them see it. But you know, because them don't genuinely fuck with you, they're not gonna double tap on that bitch. They're not going to because they don't, bro.
And that's good with me now.
So it's always good with me too. It's especially over here. So you know, someone using Instagram like that. Come over here, so come bash me. Come over here, so because you have to watch this rascal video. I have to comment on it, and the more you comment and dislike it too. Hey, sometimes I dislike my own videos too. I do. Because you want to know why? Me are showing and say, well, you can do, me can do it too. So come over here and comment all your bull crap. Because at the end of the day, I will get at least 10 comments out of you. I genuinely like to argue. So when time I go to woman we argue, I get at least 10, 15 comments out of you. Because when time I go to woman comment section, 320 comments, 400 comments, thank you.
Brother.
Thank you. That's help push my video.
Exactly. These days, bro.
I embrace the hate.
Yeah.
When time when I hate for me, but also get stronger, so.
I see them mash you up on TikTok, but me, for example, there's certain instances where me want, but me have to, you know?
Yeah. Bro, I've been doing this for 4 years now, brother. And it's like, this is the year where me I say money right now.
Yeah, facts.
So, I bet on the bash me in them 3 years they were gone. I don't miss an opportunity. Maybe when I feel some type of way.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah, I'm over certain things. Like even after the interview, I may probably get a whole heap of heat.
But I move them bomb buckler.
But as me say, if I did one time, I'd say, "Oh, no,
Yeah.
oh God, people are married." No, brother. What you want to do, man? So what you want to say?
And as I said before, a lot of these people who have the most negative shit to say, bruh, they don't have nothing going on in their life. Someone they behind on the camera, stay so. Someone they behind on the camera, stay so. A type, you know, some blood clot, mash up house. I want to style nobody were poor and them thing, but that's the reason why you're so full of hate. How about you apply yourself with the same amount of energy where it take for eat somebody and apply that to different aspects of your life. So I'm saying, you know, I don't compete with nobody. You know who I compete with? I compete with the yesterday me. How can I beat this nigga yesterday? Oh, I'm gonna create 2 more videos than I did the day before. I'm gonna create 3 more videos than the day before. I'm gonna work out harder at the gym than yesterday.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, that's who I compete with. Because some of them people will only claim hot.
Not.
Okay.
It's hot.
But it's not. Load up that
Belly pan, belly one. Easy.
Easy.
So, I guess, all in all, bro, well, first, let me just want to say respect for reach out. And,
I say a word, brother. I say a
the
word.
Mara Nation, you support the thing, see me.
Yeah, man. Big up
even
clan.
Me, myself, me realize, say, oh, you know, no say clan. You say clan, people go say, oh, man, King Tough. Crazy clan.
Crazy clan. Yes.
And at them name themselves. So. But anyways, differently still, all in all, as me say, respect.
Yeah.
Respect for the strength. Because, you know, me get a strength out of the same way.
Yes.
Yeah, people just want to continue support me, continue support the content, is what I say.
Support real content.
Yeah, I know I'm not the most interactive person, you know, see me I go live and rare, whatever, but I really have a whole nother life and I try to just put together same way. So I say.
Yes, I.
But enough love, enough respect. Me say people link me from England, Pakistan.
I was about to ask you, like, your England link supposed to big, bro, because of Jimmy, right?
England, Pakistan,
Damn.
Italy, Guyana.
Daddy.
Then love me a Guyana. Guyana, Trinidad, St. Vincent. Cause I used to do what the girl name? Jadata.
Yes.
Yeah, so people start pre-thing from St. Vincent because of Jadata.
I'm the paradise bird. These hoes are drunk crows. I'm winning. I got the flow on the image. I got the banks in the minutes. Yo.
But yo, anyways.
Talented youth.
Respect everybody.
Where them can find you?
Oh yeah, the social vibe scheme. VYBZKEEM _ that is on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube is the without the underscore. So you see I'm spelling VYBZKEEM without the underscore.
Yeah.
And just want to say again, big up Chabas. Chabas, I hope we can, you know, link up same way, me G, because, you know, I a real G, you see me?
And
you know what they done, but big up same way.
You said, Chabas, I'm going to get Chabas on the podcast too. We spoke already. So, yo, Chabas, big up yourself.
Chabas, hit me up, bro. Big ass straight, no Chabas. Big ass straight, love me, G.
I'm going to send this clip to him.
Even if you don't give me a strength, that's how you go still alive. You can't live a life that depend on people, you see me?
True.
You see me? So, big up yourself, Chabas. Big up yourself, Negos. Me say, Able Boss, me respect your work ethic, bad man.
Crazy work ethic.
Able Boss. Big up yourself. You see what me
Facts.
Big up man like World Dog, same way. World Dog, big up yourself.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, big up, respect everybody who respect me, respect everybody who respect my craft. You see what I say? Enough love, Roro. You know, mommy, me love you. Mommy, me love you. You see me?
Mommy is always the beat of our heart.
Yeah, man, me love mommy, man.
Who me a big up? I just want to big up everybody who like me. You see me? If you don't like me, go suck your mother.
Yeah.
Simple as that. Man, I beg no friend from none of them. Moving the bomb buckler.
Freaks.
None of them.
Freaks, big up yourself. My one sister, I love you. Is
how
what
that?
I say. My little sister.
Oh.
Post her on my page already. Yeah, big up yourself, Freaks. Big up to everybody who fuck with Crazy Clan. You go and cuss them now.
Yeah, moving the bomb buckler, man. I move and go from it. I don't need nothing from none of them. No, man never help me buy my things. Never put my body over on a blood clot counter. Any man who knows me, fuck, I go find him. Moving a blood clot. Lava phone. I'm not talking about lava sound. Lava phone, load brimstone and fire. Load brimstone and fire. Me love it. Bring the 8 come and comment underneath the video and dislike it to cause that help push it in an algorithm. Anything you do on the video, it help it.
And Baba J a pussy.
Damn, yo, on that note. Big interview. Bamba, them dead.